Today we're diving into FSAS Technologies Infrastructure Manager, or ISM. This powerful tool helps you simplify and streamline the management of your entire IT infrastructure. FSAS Technologies offers a powerful combination for managing your infrastructure. The integrated remote management controller with its embedded lifecycle manager and infrastructure manager. The IRMC provides agentless, out-of-band management at the server level, while ISM provides centralized management and orchestration across your entire infrastructure. This slide illustrates how ISM integrates with various components in your data center. ISM acts as a central point of management, connecting to your servers, storage systems, and switches. It also integrates with virtualization platforms like vCenter through plugins, and even allows for integration with third-party platforms. This provides a single pane of glass for managing your entire infrastructure lifecycle. ISM offers broad hardware support. As you can see here, ISM supports a wide range of Primergy servers, PrimeQuest systems, and Eternus storage arrays. It also supports network devices from various vendors, including Cisco, Juniper, and Extreme. Furthermore, it supports facility components like rack CDUs and smart UPS devices. This extensive hardware support ensures that ISM can manage a diverse range of environments. Now let's talk about features and licensing. ISM comes in two flavors. ISM Essential, which is a free version offering core management capabilities, and ISM Advanced, a paid version that unlocks a wealth of advanced features. The advanced version requires a server license per appliance and a node license for each managed device. As you can see on the slide, both versions offer a customizable dashboard, node and update management, and health status monitoring. However, ISM Advanced adds powerful features like anomaly detection, automated device configuration, mass operating system installation, data center and rack view, and much more. The latest addition to these features is the Sustainability Monitor, showing the carbon footprint of your server infrastructure. FSAS Technologies is continuously improving ISM. This slide highlights some of the key features released in recent versions, including the ability to schedule retrieval of node information, rearrange columns in the node list, and IRMC user management in profiles. We encourage you to visit the product requirement portal linked on the slide to submit your own ideas and influence the future of ISM. This slide illustrates the lifecycle management capabilities of ISM, specifically for Primergy servers. From initial discovery and registration through configuration, deployment, monitoring, and firmware updates, ISM optimizes every phase of the server lifecycle. Let's briefly explore each of these phases. Please note that the features marked with an asterisk are only available in the advanced version of ISM. ISM simplifies server onboarding with automatic server discovery. Once a server is connected to the network and the IRMC is accessible, ISM automatically detects it even without a pre-assigned IP address. It displays the model and serial number, making registration a breeze. A network scan option is also available for manual detection. Registering a server in ISM is straightforward, configuring IP address, admin password, and the communication parameters on the fly. You can also mount the server into a virtual rack for better organization, attach individual tags for easy identification, and assign it to specific user groups for access control. ISM Advanced automated configuration and installation capabilities can save you significant time and effort. By defining policies for BIOS, IRMC, and the operating system, you can completely configure and install a server in a single operation. ISM also performs ongoing conformity checks and backs up all BIOS and RMC settings for quick recovery after hardware replacements. Proactive health monitoring is crucial for maintaining uptime. ISM monitors a wide range of metrics from the RMC and the operating system, providing graphical representations and comparisons. You can define threshold values to trigger alerts when potential issues arise. ISM also visualizes server status LEDs and provides direct access to the console and RMC with optional single sign-on. ISM's event and alert system keeps you informed of critical events. You can configure actions to be triggered by specific events, such as sending an email or starting a script. Details about the event are passed to the actions via parameters, providing valuable context. Keeping your firmware up to date is essential for security and performance. ISM simplifies this process with matching upgrade methods for all environments and components. You can perform parallel upgrades of many systems at a predetermined time, and ISM can automatically download firmware updates from our global repository. The baseline assignment and verification feature ensures that your systems are running the correct firmware versions supported by your applications. Let's reiterate the licensing options. ISM Essential is free. ISM Advanced requires a server license per appliance and a node license for each managed device. Licenses assigned to deleted devices can be reused for newly registered ones. Also, an optional support package is available for the Essentials version. Finally, let's highlight some additional features available in ISM Advanced. 3D view, network map, rack view, anomaly detection, and a sustainability monitor. Thank you for watching this overview of Infrastructure Manager. We hope you found it informative. To learn more, request a live demo of ISM by sending an email to expert.demo@fujitsu.com or contact your local FSAS Technologies representative.